All right, and welcome back. This is I think, the seventh segment. We've already talked is finding videos, getting audio from the videos, getting text files, getting subtitles, splitting audio and putting them into iPods. Now we're going to talk is what I was using in order to learn from these dramas. And in fact, the subs SRS, this is what has initiated this series because I found by studying dramas using subs SRS into Anki, I was appreciating the dramas more and began to get much better impact from when I was doing the previous things I was talking about, such as listening to them, reading the scripts, or just watching the shows in general. So this is really what is creating the series. So subs SRS, here's the program. Generated by a gentleman, bring up about, Christopher Brochtrup, sorry if I mispronounced it. Great gentleman. We were in the reviewing the kanji forums. He had posted some of the examples of these flashcards he had made with a program he had designed. We loved it so much we asked him to develop it further, and he's developed it. This is the 19th iteration on it, and he constantly has been improving it, making it much more user-friendly compared to what it was 2 years ago, and he is still taking advice and improving upon it. So if you utilize this program after this video series, and you find that there are some suggestions to make, post in reviewing the kanji forums. He will take advice and he does implement it. All right, let's begin. When you use this program, first thing you need to do is set up how you're going to access these files. So normally here's the easiest way I found was if you have a folder with all your videos that you watch, usually I like to separate those up by folders. Okay, and here you have subtitle files, video files. Create 3 folders, one named English subs, Japanese subs, video subs. English subs you don't have to do, but I'm just using this for completion's sakes. Alright, copy and paste of the video you're going to actually learn or use in subs SRS. I normally do 1 video. You can do 4, 5, 10. Alright, I normally recommend 1 video. So that's how I'll be training from here. So I'll copy this and I paste it into English subs. I'll copy the Japanese subtitles, paste it in Japanese subs. For the video, I just do a cut and paste. I've already done that just because it doesn't copy it over again because the file is so large. But in here, I do have the Zettai Kureshi video. These are what I'm going to use with subs SRS to draw out. Also, I also created a subs SRS folder itself. And I could have done the same thing. I could have copied my subtitles here, Japanese subs here, video here. Also have a file here for audio. And in here is the Zettai Kureshi audio that I had previously created using subs SRS with the extract audio explained earlier in the series. And this, if you use this, it helps speed up the processing just a little. Alright, so we have this set up. Now, bring up subs SRS. Here it is, subs 1. These are your main subtitles. Use your Japanese subtitles. Click on it and click OK. No problem. Subs 2. No, again, I don't normally use these, but if you do, English subs in this case, no problem. Video. You actually don't have to use it. You can create flashcards just using subtitles. Kind of boring in my opinion, but so try to use your videos right here. All right. If you happen to use the audio, you can click right here. Extract you can extract from video using a bitrate or extract audio using an audio file. Click on it and it'll use that. Either way, this you can get it straight from video or from this audio file. Finally, output. Where's all this information going to go? Okay, I like to create a folder subs SRS output in my subs SRS program. That's where everything's going to go. Now let's make a few other adaptations to this. I use your timing from the first subtitles. Normally that's the Japanese subtitles. That's how people are talking. You can, when you're from your audio clips right here, click on the pad timing. And I like to give it a 1/4 second on each end just to make a smooth transition from the beginning and the end. Generate snapshots. This is the cool part of subs SRS. It gets a snapshot from the time the audio is being spoken, so you get to see an image from the show. So you get a reference to what this dialogue is talking about. If you get your videos from d-addicts.com, normally they're in a proportion of 704 by 396. So if you shrink it down to this format of 240, and then your height, make it about 132, and it'll be a proportional image. Also you have here is crop pixels. What you find out is some videos from d-addicts, they have hard encoded English subtitles, and some people don't like to study with them seeing the English in front of them. So what you can do, this will crop it up just high enough to get rid of the English subtitles that are being displayed onto the on the video file, and that could be so. And finally, if you're that type, you want to, you can create video clips from. We'll generate a small video clip based on the timing of the subtitle line of the sentence from the subtitle. Alright, all this is said and done, you can click on preview. I've already set that up. Let's bring up, this is what you'll generate after about 2 or 3 minutes. This is great, and it allows you to ensure what you're watching, what is going to be developed at the end. So you can look here, see the image, see the Japanese subtitle, see the English subtitle. In addition to, shrink this down, press here, preview audio. Alright, so let's try that again. Alright. Don't just start at the beginning. Check out the middle, make sure that's still matching up, and check out the end. Alright, and what you may not be able to tell, but here's the reason why I don't like to use English subtitles, is that it's a mixed bag. They're made by fans, people who like Japanese, such as myself. Sometimes they do it as they give a more literal translation of what the Japanese subtitles is saying. So you get some unusual, or basically unnatural English dialogue. In addition to, I think it makes the studying part a bit too easy. However you see fit. Maybe starting off, it's good to use English subtitles. Well, I'll discuss that more when we get into the studying in Anki part. Alright, if all is studying good, if all is well and good for you, click go. It'll start generating these files. I'm not going to do it here. I've already done it previously. Here's what happens. After about 5-10 minutes, go to SubSRS. What you're going to see is two things. A text file, that's what this is, tab separated value, and a media file. These are what Anki can use in order to display the image and also play the audio. So if you open up this tab separated value, okay, tab separated value, what you have, you'll see it. There's from the video it came from. This identifier help you quickly identify which the video is. Sound file, image file, Japanese subtitle, and then the English subtitles. Anki will take all that and generate its own flashcard. That's the main purpose. Then if you go into the media files, you'll see there's the audio, and there's the image. There's another image, there's the audio. You can play it, just preview. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay, that's said and done. What the next portion of the series will discuss is importing all this into Anki. And then after that, I'll discuss is how to set up your file for the initial review, and then the initial studying of the card, and then later on the reviewing of the cards as time goes on. So it should be 2 or 3 more series into this. After that, I like to end is saying, if I missed a step, if I didn't explain something correctly, or you have a misunderstanding, or you have further questions, please post in the comments. If need be, I can add annotations to the video, or I can then just make a quick reply into the comments. Your feedback is going to be very helpful in continuing series. In addition to, if there's a problem in a step you want more detailed, I can create a new video showing a more detailed process, depending on how you see fit. All right, thank you very much.